What up, YouTube? Coming at y'all with a little short video. This is how to actually do a valve delete on a 2017 Camaro. Check this out.
What the hell are you talking about?
So first you remove the plastic cover, you take off the coil packs, you remove the valve cover, and then I'll show you real quick how to do a valve delete. Let me just show you one thing real quick. This is the process of a valve delete right here. Look, if your spark plug don't look like this, you ain't doing a valve delete properly. All right, let's see if y'all can take a guess at what cylinder this spark plug belongs to. All right, so doing this valve delete, you saw the spark plug earlier. Let's see if we can find which valve is missing.
Damn!
Damn! Whoa! Whoa, what valve? Yo. All right, there's cylinder 8, cylinder 6, cylinder... Damn! Looks like we found the culprit. There's some pieces up in there too. But that, folks, is how you do a valve delete. Appreciate y'all watching the channel. Check out the other videos we have linked below. Got some builds going on in here.